South Africa, our country is our land is our home. The future generations, our children's children, will remember us for how we treated our land and address the challenges of access to land and other resources. Land is an emotional issue and has been throughout history, not only in South Africa. Land reform in South Africa is not only filled with emotions, but is also a difficult issue. It impacts on sustainable farming, food security, and the safety of investments. Economic growth and job creation in rural areas depend largely on agricultural activities. This is especially true about Ceres. Ceres is the center of the Witzenberg Municipal District. The Greater Ceres area includes the Kowe-Bokkeveld, Woolsley, Breerivier, Tulbagh, and the Ceres Karoo.
The predominant area is that of agriculture. In fact, the contribution to the domestic growth product is almost 30%. And agriculture is our biggest contributor towards employment.
Ceres and the Witzenberg region is one of South Africa's oldest fruit and vegetable growing regions. Globally, the Witzenberg area is renowned for its excellent fruit, vegetables, and fruit juices.
Ceres is by far the best area, production-wise and quality-wise, to grow apples.
The Witzenberg Partnership has now taken the initiative to expedite land reform in this labor-intensive farming district. The Witzenberg Partnership entails an agreement between the local municipality, agri-producers, and the community. These parties agreed to work together to expedite land reform, economic growth, and social harmony, binding themselves in terms of a consensus document.
And I think this is what we need, not only in Witzenberg, but throughout the whole country, that we commit ourselves and genuinely and really make a difference in the lives of the community we serve.
En ek dink hierdie geleentheid gaan dit nou ook moontlik maak vir swart boere om ook te betrokke te raak binne in die in die landbou self en dan ook seker te maak dat hulle ook op die einde van die dag grondeienaars raak.
The overwhelming majority of farmers in Witzenberg have agreed to the main goals, namely to establish successful black farmers and to involve the whole community in an inclusive process for the benefit of the region. The Witzenberg Partnership will launch about 50 new projects with individuals who have the potential to become South Africa's next generation of successful black commercial farmers.
Jy wil graag bly in die land en jy wil jou tyd en energie wil jy verder spandeer in ons land in samewerking met jou vennote.
Ons is baie opgewonde want ons so aan die pad af 10 jaar van nou af glo ons sal ons ook op ons eie bene kan staan en dit is eintlik vir ons kinders toekoms waarvoor ons eintlik so opgewonde is.
Dit is 'n inisiatief wat vir beide kante groot geleenthede bied en dit wat ook 'n kans gee vir sukses van nuwe besighede in die sin dat dit gebaseer is rondom mentorskapprogram.
The approximately 50 farms will be in all areas of Witzenberg. It entails new farms of more than 12,000 hectares, including 4,000 hectares of irrigated agricultural land. It is estimated that 4,000 hectares of irrigated agricultural land will create 12,000 new jobs in the Witzenberg area. Coupled to this are other projects which will stimulate economic growth, such as pack houses, cold storerooms, rail transport services, and tourism. The main focus of all these actions is to create opportunities via training, mentorship, and skills development.
Die partnership gaan regwaar is 'n unieke inisiatief wat die Witzenberg-streek gaan doen.
The Witzenberg Initiative is an integrated development plan to include new land reform projects, a dedicated training college, housing projects, community projects, educational projects, and strives to achieve best practices in housing, facilities, labor relations, and a sustainable, healthy environment.
We believe that when a community is healthy, the community will be happy as well.
Ek is nou afgetree. Ek en my vrou, my kinders, ons kan bly vir lewenslank. Dis 'n groot voorreg wat ons het.
All these activities are coordinated from a central Witzenberg office. From this office, the planning of projects, applications for water permits, a watchdog committee, training, finance applications, screening and placement of new farmers are coordinated. The one-stop shop provides a physical location for the coordination, facilitation, and mentoring functions. All new farming projects are to be compiled in terms of the PALS framework. PALS, or Partnerships in Agri-Land Solutions, was already successfully implemented in 2012 in 2 pilot projects. The PALS framework represents a radical departure from past land reform in South Africa.
Yetu Ntaba aims to serve as an example of a highly successful agri-BE business where all beneficiaries gets access to the full agri value chain, and where individually tailored mentorship and training programs will benefit all its beneficiaries.
It is focused on individual black farmers who initially receive 30% shareholding as well as the option to purchase the majority or all the shares. It also entails a unique workers' trust whereby the workers and their families receive a percentage of the profits of the farming operations for the further upliftment of their socio-economic circumstances.
The future is very bright because we are the group of people who understand what is going on in agricultural sectors.
The new PALS project will be implemented on existing farms as well as newly acquired farms where surplus winter water can be used to extend irrigation schemes. The commercial farmer acts as a mentor and uses his vast experience, access to finance, and access to the value chain to ensure the success of the farming operation. When the operation is profitable, the black farmer uses an option given to him to become the majority or even the sole shareholder.
PALS beskerm mekaar, PALS help mekaar. Ons moet partners wees, PALS wees om so 'n ding te kan laat werk en alleen kan jy nie staan nie.
Farming with fruit is very technical and involves an understanding of several scientific processes. Farmers invest approximately 350,000 rand to plant and grow 1 hectare of fruit trees until it bears fruit after 4 or 5 years. Planting 3,500 hectares of orchards will therefore cost more than 1.2 billion rand. In addition to this, a further 3 billion rand will have to be spent on the expansion of infrastructure. The participating producers are prepared to make this substantial investment and underwrite the success of these projects. Government can be an enabling partner by assisting with irrigation schemes, water permits for storage of surplus winter water, and facilitating more affordable loans.
No plant can grow without water. We need to look at our water supply, our access to water. I believe government, they're also looking for answers where they can help. We'd like to invite them to partner us in this venture. They have the means, they have the ability.
Government needs to look at this plan with an open mind and partner this plan. I think we're on the right path in ensuring that we create a model for development, a model that ensures that we have black people within the economy of agriculture within the Witzenberg municipality.
No, I'm positive. I'm quite positive because the future is there, and also those who want to go that route of agriculture, they will have those opportunities.
It is also paramount for the success of these projects to make a large investment in human capital. This will be done through a dedicated training college, continuous mentoring of black farmers, and several educational projects focusing on the youth.
We're effectively the training department for 84 different farms in the Witzenberg area. We train around 8,000 students a year.
We feel it's the right opportunity and the right time in the history of agriculture of South Africa to launch a project like this.
We will add value to this valley that no one has ever dreamed of.
Wat ek wil bereik het is ek binne. So dit is my droom. We can achieve it and we are going to make it because of the strength of my partners.
Well, the partnership, in my view, is a great initiative, not only for the segmented community, but at the broader spectrum of the community. It is an opportunity. It's a job creation opportunity.
It's a partnership for our future, for my children's future, and for anybody else out there. There are opportunities in this.
Ons sien regtig uit daarna dat ons kinders ook kan voordeel daaruit trek, want ons het maar nie altyd die voorreg gehad nie, so ons is bly vir hulle ook.
Success starts with our way of thinking. As Nelson Mandela said in his inaugural speech in 1994, our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure.